No matter what your level of public speaking experience, whenever you open your mouth, whether you're talking to one person or 1,000, you want to get a specific message across. Anyone who sets out to present, persuade, and propel with the spoken word faces pitfalls. As technology and shrinking travel budgets play a much more important part in our lives, you have yet another challenge. What do you do when you're communicating through a webinar? What is different about a webinar presentation? How do you catch and keep your audience? Here are some practical and time-proven ideas that will build your confidence, help you look like a seasoned professional, and impress your viewers. Webinars are an important part of business communications. Even if you are not delivering them at the moment, this is a good skill to learn. If you are uncomfortable or nervous just looking at a screen and not seeing your audience, why not invite a friend or co-worker into the room with you? This way you can talk to them and your listeners feel you are talking to them. Now let's answer a few questions before moving on. Webinars are very popular because